Have you come across any treasures lately? Show me, and I might forge a truly extraordinary weapon out of it. Got any forging plans, kiddo? Hee hee! My hammer is eager to unleash its might. Phew! Here you go! The forging went smoothly this time. What do you think? Listen up, kiddo! A weapon is like your life partner. You gotta treat it well.
Awesome! You're truly amazing! I've seen many who resemble you and Snow. Are they also Lunos?
Did you come from a remote village or something, kiddo?
Yes. My hometown isn't a big city.
Ah, that explains it. In all my travels, wherever there are humans, Lunos can always be found. It's quite uncommon to come across someone like you who's never heard of us.
We share a similar appearance. Everyone is as attractive as me, and we live very long lives. Like the master blacksmith, every Luno has a particular forte. Wow. And do you have any unique talents, Snow? Yeah, of course I do. As you can see, I have demonic appendages on my head. No other Lunos have these.
Indeed. In all my years, I've never seen a Luno with horns like those. You look just like those human Charons.
So, I'm Luno the Demon King. Different and unique. Perhaps I was meant to lead the Lunos and dominate the world.
Oh, that's quite the ambition.
Unfortunately, most Lunos lack ambition. They'd rather follow the humans and are content with just a few words of appreciation. But for me, I want so much more. My little minion, you must stick with me. After I conquer the world, you'll be the leader of my legion. Just you wait and see. Wow. So unique and different from other Lunos.